Today we are commemorating International Day of Play under the theme Choose Play Every Day. And as UNICEF, we're partnering with the government of Botswana and through the Ministries of Child Welfare and Basic Education, Ministry of Health, and Ministry of Local Government and Traditional Affairs. And we're emphasizing why play is important. We are basically advocating to say play is important to parents, to teachers, and to the wider community. And as UNICEF, we are saying, let's recognize the importance that play plays on a child's life, how it helps them to develop, how it helps them to develop skills and interact with others. And the whole of today, we're experiencing together with children, playing and reminding ourselves, as parents, as caregivers, who we are as parents and how play has made a difference in our lives.